Hi folks, Doug here. Ellis Car Customs. Don't be fooled by cheap imitations. When last we met, we were doing tailgate work, and believe it or not, we're still going to be doing tailgate work tonight. We've got a ways to go to make that a serviceable gate. Something we can be proud of anyway. It'll look good with paint on it. But welcome back to my friends. You know who you are. Welcome to people who suddenly found me and are wondering what the hell. But if you just found me, go back a couple videos and check them out. Yeah, and you'll see what we're up to here. And if it's something you're really interested in, there's over 50 videos of this build from the very beginning up to the point we're at now. So if you want to binge watch, be my guest. So without talking too much, I'll bring you back here and show you what I'm up to. Yes, my kitty cat. We're going to, he's peeking on me. We're going to finish seam welding all these seams, especially the ones that are going to be behind the braces that we built. And you know, these braces we made last episode. But I want to go around and just seam seal or seam weld all this stuff. Get it all to where I'm happy with it. Basically, I go around, I got my air hose here with an air gun, and I'll weld a little, then hit it with a blast of air, weld a little, hit it with a blast of air, because it tends to want to warp if you build up too much heat. So if you blast it with a quick shot of air after you welded it, you watch it, it'll snap right back into place, because you'll see either it'll warp in or out, depending on what it wants to do. But when you hit that air and cool it really fast, it'll shrink back up to shape as long as you didn't get it too hot. So that's what we're going to work on, so we can get those braces welded in there, because before tonight is over, I'd like to have those drilled out, put some bolts in the bottom of the hinge, and try swinging this thing and see how it swings. So I'll get to work. Thanks for stopping by. Well, there's one of my buddies. There's the other one. Anyway, they're totally oblivious. This is kind of a monumental day. For the first time in 50 years, this Nomad just might have a swinging tailgate. Let me, I've got it tacked in there now. I'm going to set this up here where you can see it, hopefully. Yeah, look at that. Anyway, the gate does this now. Look at that. And they said it couldn't be done. We are a long way from done, but just to have a gate that swings is definitely a step forward. And right now I've just got those tacked because I wanted to make sure everything was going to work before I welded them in. I finished seam welding that stuff. I got to seam weld the center still, but we'll finish weld these now that I know the thing's going to do what it's supposed to do. And obviously we're going to have to do some tweaking, this, that, and the other to make it pretty, but once I'm satisfied with the inside, then I'm going to treat the inside with some of the rust converter and maybe a coat of paint, and then we'll get to figuring out how to attach the outside to it and make everything line up. But I'll bring you back when I get a little done. I just thought that was exciting. Well, my buddy likes the gate. Yeah, don't ya? Say hi to the folks. Say something. He was just talking up a storm. Time to clean the floor again before I lose my cats. But we've got our braces welded in there. Feels pretty solid. I just got to finish seam welding this center. And so in the next video we'll be tackling the outside, trying to make it line up with everything and work the way it's supposed to and look good and all that stuff. Like I said, this isn't exactly how GM designed it, but I think it'll be good and sturdy. But anyways, hey buddy, move for a second. Hop on down there, boy. This is kind of like when I did the doors. It never gets old, you know, seeing that thing work the way it should. Like I said, we got a lot of grinding and fussing and fighting, but we'll get her knocked out. Look at that. I can close you in the car, buddy. But yeah, I call that a major victory. Yay for me. So anyway, another kind of short video. I was so excited to get that gate mounted on there and swinging like that. I wanted to share it with you guys. Like I said, the next video coming up will be trying to attach that skin to it and start to make it actually look like something. But I hope you'll come back for that. Yeah, see? Now you want to talk. You didn't want to talk when everybody's looking at you. But anyways, thanks for stopping by. I hope you come back, especially if you're new. We'd like to earn your business. We try hard here. So, till next time, take care of each other. See ya.